Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to change your name in Zoom. So let's get started. We use Zoom to get in contact with your families and friends. Large numbers of demand of our Zoom are in schools and offices. Zoom gives us the advantage to meet and work together face to face. Companies can use Zoom for meetings remotely. So guys, to change the name in Zoom, you have to simply open your Chrome browser and simply type here Zoom. So if you have already created the Zoom account, so you have to simply click on sign in. If you don't have any account, so you have to simply click on sign up. So guys, I already have the Zoom account, so I'm going to click on sign in. So guys, here you can see our name is written here. So to change name, so you can see the option of edit. Click on edit. From here you can change your name. For example, I'm going to type your name Andy Startups. Guys, here you can give more informations about pronouns, department, manager, job title, company, location, etc. So after entering the information, you have to simply click on save. So you can see our name is changed in Zoom. So guys, you can also change your name in Zoom by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.